In today's show, BitMEX CEO Arthur Hayes predicts Bitcoin price on track to hit $100,000. And he also believes that Satoshi Nakamoto is dead. We'll be talking about this in today's show. And in today's episode, we'll also be discussing some year-end altcoin and Bitcoin price predictions made by popular crypto influencer William Magayar, who believes that the Bitcoin price will be $25,000 before the end of the year. We'll be talking about this and so much more in today's episode. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a new episode every day. Be sure to click the subscribe button and bell icon to receive notifications of the latest crypto news. And before we get into today's show, I want to remind you, you can still catch the replay of 5 coins to 5 million by clicking the link right below this video in the description. This is a live cryptocurrency event that Teeka did just 3 days ago, where he reveals 5 tiny cryptocurrencies that can turn $500 into 5 million in as little as 10 months. And since Teeka released this information just 3 days ago, I've seen some of his top cryptocurrency picks gain as much as 140% just like that. So if you missed the live event, make sure to catch the replay by clicking the link right below this video in the description. I don't know how long that will be up for, but if you want the info, this is your last chance. All right, now let's get right into it. Arthur Hayes says Satoshi will never be heard from again and predicts that Bitcoin is on track to hit $100,000. Arthur Hayes, CEO of the Bitcoin mercantile exchange BitMEX, the world's largest cryptocurrency derivatives trading platform, says crypto markets will have a direct impact on how traditional assets are traded. At the Milken Institute Asia Summit in Singapore, Hayes said traders in traditional markets will be getting less sleep in the future. He went on to say some of the practices in our market are going to be mimicked in traditional trading. All these things are going to seep into the traditional way stocks, bonds, and FX are traded. Once you get away from that and understand that everything will be digital in the next 10 years, you realize that Bitcoin might become an important part of the future economy. Well, duh. The Wharton School of Business graduate says he remains extremely bullish on Bitcoin. He believes Bitcoin will hit $20,000 in the coming year and will reach $100,000 within the next 3 years. All I know is this: when Bitcoin hits $100,000, I'm gonna be like,
crypto gang, it's the game, big gang, all gang, light gang, cash game, blockchain. Whoa, I don't really ever buy stocks, man. No. Haters wanna say I'm in a bubble, man. No. Chew them up like bubble gum. No. Just made a meal with my pocket change. No. Wreck about to go and join the huddle gang.
And as per the debate on the identity of the anonymous creator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, Hayes says his, her, or their identity will probably remain a mystery forever. He added, "I think they're already dead." What do you think? Do you think Satoshi Nakamoto still exists? Do you think it was a single individual or a collective group of people? Are they dead? Are they alive? Let me know your comments right down below. Anyways, BitMEX continues to battle with the U.S. Futures Commodities Trading Commission, the CFTC, which is investigating whether the exchange illegally allowed U.S. residents to trade on its platform. BitMEX says it does everything in its power to prevent American citizens from doing so. Volumes on the exchange dipped after the investigation was revealed in July, but Hayes says business is still booming and the company is on a hiring spree. "We're definitely understaffed," he said. "We're hiring in every single department." And while speaking at the event, Hayes himself did not directly address the CTFC investigation. All right, now we know Arthur Hayes' Bitcoin prediction of 20,000 by the end of the year. Now let's check out this crypto influencer, William Magayar, and I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly, but here's his year-end altcoin and Bitcoin predictions that he shared on Twitter. Here's what it says. End of year predictions: Ethereum, $1,000. Bitcoin, 25K. All I know is this: if Bitcoin hits 25K before the end of the year, I'm gonna be like,
crypto gang, it's the game, big gang, all gang, light gang, cash game, blockchain. Whoa, I don't really ever buy stocks, man. No.
ETC, $50, ATOM, $20, DOT, $250, EOS, $7, KIN, 0.0001, STX, $1.50, XTZ $2, and Steam 50 cents. And he also predicts the total crypto market cap being 750 billion, with the BTC dominance ending at 55% and ETC at 15%, top 20 at 95%. And FYI, this is not trading advice. Then he went on to tweet the following correction at the end. Of course, I meant ETH being at 15% of the total market caps, not ETC, which would be Ethereum Classic. So what are your thoughts on Williams' year-end Bitcoin and altcoin price predictions? Do you think Ethereum will hit $1,000 before the end of the year? Do you think Bitcoin will smash 25K? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's take a look at the Bitcoin price action on the 4-hour chart. This is where we were at just yesterday, trading at about 10,150, and then we started to descend and we dropped all the way to about 98.50 before bouncing back to the critical resistance of $10,000 psychologically as well, to where we're currently at, ranging at about $10,017. And now for your Bitcoin price weekly forecast. This past week, there were swing moves in Bitcoin below the 10,400 resistance area against the US dollar. The BTC USD pair declined sharply below 10K support and tested the 9,650 level. Later, it bounced back above 10,000 level and to 12.2 levels. However, the price struggled to break the $10,400 resistance area and the 100 simple moving average on the 4-hour chart. As a result, a short-term top was formed near 10,383 and the price started a fresh decline. It broke the 10,200 support and settled well below the 100 SMA. Additionally, there was a break below the 50 Fibonacci retracement level of the last major wave from 9,637 low to 10,383 high. More importantly, there was a break below a crucial contacting triangle with support near $10,010 on the 4-hour chart of the BTC/USD pair. And as we just saw, Bitcoin is currently trading at about the $10,000 level, moving with a bearish angle, and immediate support is near $9,800 level. It coincides with the 76.4 Fibonacci retracement level of the last major wave from 9,637 low to 10,383 high. If there are more downsides, Bitcoin price could revisit the 9,650 support area. The main support area is near $9,500 and $9,400 levels, below which there could be a sharp drop to $9,000. What do you think is going to happen? I'd love to know your comments down below. On the upside, the recent support near 10,100 level might act as a resistance. The key resistances are near 10,300, 10,400, and the 100 simple moving average on the 4-hour chart. To start a solid upward move, the price must settle above the $10,400 resistance and the 100 simple moving average, as you can see right here on the 4-hour chart. Looking at the chart, the Bitcoin price is clearly struggling to gain bullish momentum above 10,200 and 10,300. Therefore, there is a risk of additional losses below the 9,800 and 9,650 support levels. And taking a look at CoinMarketCap, we can see the current BTC dominance is 68%. This is a good sign for altcoins. And let's take a look at some of the biggest gainers in the past 24 hours. You got Bit Capital Vendor up 9%, Energy up 8.77%, Redcoin up 7%, Solve up 6.39%, and Synthetics up 4.83%. Now taking a look at the biggest losers for the day. Dragon Coins down 20%. Holy shit. Beam down 9.87%. Metaverse ETP down 8.67%. Aurora down 8.07%. And Basic Attention down 7.65%. And now taking a look at the biggest cryptocurrencies in the market, you can see Bitcoin is in the green, up 0.25%, trading at $10,015. We have Ether in the red, trading at $211, down 2.17%. XRP in the red, down 3.51%, trading at 27 cents. Bitcoin Cash down 1.41%, trading at $307. EOS down 2.96%, trading at $3.89. So as you can see, the most popular altcoins are currently in the red, while Bitcoin is barely in the green. And taking a look at the BitMEX margins, we can see the bears are currently dominating with about 35 million superiority, 51% shorts versus 49% longs. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest crypto news. And oh yeah, as we're journeying through this crypto wormhole, I want to remind you there is a link right below this video in the description for you to catch the replay to Teeka Tiwari's 5 coins to 5 million, where he chooses 5 tiny altcoins which can transform a $500 investment into $5 million in as little as 10 months. I don't know how long this will be available for, so if you're watching this video and you want that information, be sure to click the link right below this video in the description, and I'll see you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.